is what I think about the case.
Obviously, we're disappointed with the outcome.
A surprising conclusion to the federal trial of 4 men accused of plotting to kidnap Governor Gretchen Whitmer. Daniel Harris and Brandon Caserta acquitted of conspiracy. The fates of reported ringleaders Adam Fox and Barry Croft Jr. undecided. Legal veterans tell TV5's Kendall Keys not to underestimate the significance of today's events.
4 defendants facing federal charges in a reported plot to kidnap Governor Gretchen Whitmer.
What we had here was one of the most important domestic terrorism cases in probably a generation.
The outcome of the case surprised legal veterans. 2 defendants not guilty, the other 2 no verdict, leading to a mistrial.
I think that's nothing short of shocking.
The federal prosecution facing a nearly unprecedented loss, according to Flint defense attorney Nicholas Robinson.
The federal government traditionally does not bring cases unless they are very confident in the outcome of what that case will be.
It's unusual for a federal district court jury to find folks not guilty. It's less unusual for there to be a hung jury.
Genesee County prosecutor David Layton says it's a trend he's noticing in mid-Michigan. It's more difficult to convict.
We see it in the Genesee County Circuit Court. It's really, a lot of juries are almost expecting evidence that goes beyond a reasonable doubt.
In a jury of 12, all it takes is 1 outlier to deadlock.
It has gotten harder to prove any criminal case in every court in the state of Michigan. Jurors want more. They want the facts, and they want lots of them before they're going to convict somebody of a crime.
Robinson says today's outcome could impact any future investigation, especially amid the recent push by the federal government to combat domestic terrorism.
I think it's going to be very interesting to see what cases are brought in the future, because this is certainly going to be something that is going to have ripple effects, not only here in Michigan, but throughout the entire nation.
Now the government has a decision to make, whether to retry Adam Fox and Barry Croft Jr. or to throw in the towel. For WNEM TV5, I'm Kendall Keys.
Whitmer's office released a statement after the verdict, calling the reported plot the result of, quote, violent and divisive rhetoric, adding there must be consequences for those who commit heinous crimes.